Why is VS Code everywhere? This lightweight editor combines GUI simplicity with keyboard efficiency. Its massive extension ecosystem makes it the top choice today. Have you joined the VS Code crowd?
Did you know Python is now the world's most popular programming language? According to 2024 studies, over 15 million developers use Python daily. Its simple syntax makes it perfect for beginners, while powerful libraries support everything from data science to artificial intelligence. Companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram rely on Python for their core systems. Python's growth continues to accelerate, especially in machine learning and data analysis fields. The average Python developer earns 20% more than other programmers. What could you build with the world's most powerful programming language?
Professional Python developers rely on this crucial technique, understanding variable scope. When a variable is created inside a function, Python automatically deletes it once the function completes. This prevents memory leaks and unexpected behavior in your code. Companies like Instagram and Spotify, which run on Python, depend on this feature for their applications to handle millions of users. Try running a simple function that creates a variable, then attempt to access it outside. You'll get an error. Have you ever wondered how many memory leaks you prevented without even knowing about scope? Every programmer at places like Apple and Nintendo knows this secret. They hide Easter eggs in your favorite products. Apple conceals tiny jokes in Siri responses, while Google engineers embed hidden games in their Android drivers. Intel hides microscopic artwork on their processor stickers. Even Mario games contain secret worlds accessible through specific code combinations that developers left as signatures. Next time you use your device, have you tried asking Siri about the meaning of life or searching for the Konami code in your favorite Nintendo game?
At Google, engineers use decorators to track function performance without changing any code. Tesla's self-driving AI uses Python generators to process infinite data streams efficiently. Python's Walrus operator, introduced in 2019, lets experts assign variables inside expressions. Guido van Rossum, Python's creator, still writes cleaner code than most after 30 years. Which of these Python secrets would improve your coding the most? In 1947, computer pioneer Grace Hopper found a moth stuck in Harvard's Mark II computer. She taped the actual bug in her logbook with the note, "First actual case of bug being found." That's why we still call programming errors bugs to this day. In Python programming, these bugs are especially tricky to spot with no semicolons. Python's indentation-based syntax makes it cleaner, but one wrong space can break everything. Have you ever created a bug that took hours to fix? Most programming languages use braces and semicolons. Python uses whitespace and indentation. Why? It wasn't an accident. It was a deliberate design choice. Python's creator, Guido van Rossum, wanted code that was readable like English. By forcing proper indentation through syntax requirements, Python ensures that code is naturally organized and visually clear. This design makes Python easier to learn for beginners, as the code structure visually matches its logical structure. The whitespace requirement also prevents many common formatting mistakes found in other languages. The result? Clean, consistent code that looks the same regardless of who wrote it. Is Python's unique syntax approach the reason it became one of the world's most popular programming languages? Did you know that a recent PlayStation update caused major frustration among users? The update introduced a mistake in the authentication code that mistakenly blocked many players from signing in. This happened in early 2018 when a new line of code was added without proper testing. The development team worked quickly to remove the error and restore access. Do you think this could have been avoided? Did you know Nintendo once faced a major coding error that risked their games? Their system had vulnerabilities that allowed hackers to exploit it. Instead of giving up, Nintendo reworked their code, hired experts, and fixed the issues. Their quick recovery turned a mistake into a valuable lesson. Can mistakes sometimes lead to better results? The Nintendo Switch is not just a gaming console. It is a computer with its own unique code. It runs on a system based on FreeBSD, a software foundation used in many hidden places. Its games are built using C++ and assembly, making them run smoothly on its small but powerful hardware. Without this coding, the Switch would just be a screen with buttons. But what if Nintendo let anyone create their own games for it? Python isn't named after the snake. It's actually named after Monty Python, a British comedy group. That's why Python's documentation is filled with jokes and references. Ever found a funny hidden joke in Python? HTML is not a programming language. It's just a markup language that structures web pages. But here's the twist. Without it, the internet as we know it wouldn't exist. So, do you think HTML deserves more credit? In coding interviews, you always expect questions on arrays, trees, or maps. But what about something unexpected, like Van M. de Boas trees or skip lists? Most people don't prepare for them. So, while you focus on common data structures, don't forget to check out the rare ones too. What's your favorite algorithm? Did you know the C++ language we all use and love was named C with classes, but got renamed in 1983 to the modern name we all know it by C++? Did this blow your mind? All programmers know this simple trick. Ever wondered why data type names matter so much? It's all about readability and consistency. A well-named variable saves time and prevents errors. Always follow naming conventions, like camel case in JavaScript or snake case in Python. It keeps your code clean and easy to understand. Like, subscribe, and comment for more quick tips.